Okay, so this is the room that I was in. Last view on everything. Mirrors, the restaurants, blah blah blah. This is what happens if you look through the hole. That's what I see, okay. I'm leaving this hotel. So that's the room number. Yeah. Had fun. Did I mention that it's a pool in the hotel? It's 1.50 meters, I guess. Deep area, but no diving. Yeah. Never went in the pool, so whatever. Okay, a quick preview of the pool I am in right now. Yeah, the water is really calm. I just blew on it. Hopefully that rippled. And over here at the gym, right there. So yeah, that's it. Did I ever mention there was a limo all along outside of the hotel? Right now we're going inside the Pacific Mall. Okay, here's the map to Pacific Mall. It's really big. Jeez. It's a hand compared. Now those are some big kitchen knives. Hey look, some pretty water art, and right over there that's the Lucky Bridge. Right now there's more of these over here, and over here you can see the Lucky Bridge, or yeah, the Pacific Courage Tower. This is inside the Pacific Mall thing. Yeah, basically this is the second floor right now. So yeah. There'll be some statues and horses of people and horses, I would say. And there's more here, and there's the ladies' restroom. Yeah. Okay, this is where you have to take some steps and get in here. See? Okay, right now I got more of these things. They taste pretty good. Right now we're going to buy some panda milk tea. I bet it's gonna taste pretty good. There's multiple of these. The meaning that I said that there's multiple of those, that means that it's like everywhere in the Pacific Mall. Okay, the way to drink this is to use this straw and then you stab it through. Just stab it and it should work. And time to drink. It's pretty good. Now, if you can't go to some other country just to buy this drink, you can always just go to the closest one, like New York City. You can always buy something similar to this. So it's just well, actually, it tastes the same thing. Pretty good though. Hey, look! Someone's balloon is flying out. Oh, it's, I can't appear to find it with the camera now. Here's the Orland Science Center, and there's a Spanish version right there. Mythbusters, the explosive experiment exhibit. Don't try this at home. Oh, try it here. Okay. Okay, right now we got some rocks on the table, and here's something like this. Like this. Like, it's basically rocks. And I ain't gonna touch every one of it. There's also more over there, but I'm not gonna show all of them. Look at this map, look at it. Level 1 at top, level 2 bottom, level 3, 4, bottom 5, and 6. Here's the entire map. Jeez. Okay, here's some different types of trees. Which one is which? Yeah, I'll let you guess. Ever wonder how a violin looks like in the inside? That's how. Hopefully that's good enough. And there's more. And there's a canoe and stuff like that. Okay, this is sparrow food. There's 2 magnets, one there and one you can use the handle. Okay, if I push this up and I just kick it, this happens. And if I use this level thingy, it changes. That's feral fluid, and you can make it yourself apparently. Awesome, right? Here are another example of feral fluid. Yeah, it's basically a magnet liquid. Yeah, I already said it. Magnet liquid, and you basically just can do this. And yeah, you do this, whatever, and it'll affect it a lot. I don't know what the fuck is this, but this sure looks pretty. Right now I have a cameraman right now, so yeah. Apparently that it shows what the heartbeat is supposed to be, but I don't think it's accurate. Oh great, there's only 2 expressions. Okay. That's a sand pit. Like this. It's like moving. Solid plasma. And there's what's in there. Now, this looks like poop. Please walk on grass. Okay, all the right lights have to show up. Okay. This is boring. Come on, I'm aiming this gamma ray. Come on, work. Jeez. Okay, the red, green, and blue is lighting up. I don't know what will happen, so yeah. I wonder what happens if I do this. Come on. Okay, I'll have to lights up. Press the button. It crushes it. Okay, let's see what happens if I press that again. Nothing. I have to get all of them ready. Darn it.
Take a picture of you doing it?
Okay.
Okay.
Look at this. Wind speed, I'm gonna make sure it's high. Trash! Oh wait, that was safe. I never seen this one with tongue center. I was mad.
Or methyl alcohol. It's very similar to what you would find in the gas tank of a car. We're going to get 3 good squeezes of this in here. Can you count with me? Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3. Good long squeezes in there. So we get lots of methanol, make lots of fire. We're going to put a cap on. Now what's going to happen is we're going to mix these two together. We're going to mix the fuel with the air inside the bottle, back and forth, mixing them together. When we talk about combustion reactions, which is any kind of fire or flame or explosion, we need 3 things. We need fuel, we need air, and we need a spark, right? An ignition source. And so as we watch these together, We're going to get a fuel-air mix. All we have to do is add that spark. What do you think, Bruno? You think we're good?
I think it looks pretty good. That fuel is pretty spread out there.
All right, let's give this a shot then. So this one is called the Flame Genie, and you're going to see why in just a sec, so make sure you watch.
And we can't repeat this, so make sure you keep your eye on
all right,
there.
Let's do a countdown. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that's loud.
It's still going.
Whoa.
Very cool. Did you see the genie?
That was
yes, happy birthday. There's your birthday balloon.
Look at the birthday balloon.
Oh
Look at
my
that.
gosh.
It's one of my favorite colors. Look at that beautiful
He's
balloon.
turning 16, believe it or not.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet 16.
So what do you think is in here? What do you think is in that balloon? Air, helium. Okay, if there was air in there, would it be floating up like that? No, it would be sitting down here on the stage. It could be helium. Yeah, it could very well be helium. Let's take a look at the chemical periodic table of elements. And helium, you'll find, is atomic number 2. And it's way over there, yeah, on the right side of the periodic table of elements. Atomic number 2. Now, number 1. What's number 1? We move over to the left side, and that is...
hydrogen!
Yeah, H is for hydrogen. So, and there's a reason why, too. They're very, very at opposite ends of the periodic table. So, this could be hydrogen in this balloon as well, floating up there. Now, we're going to find out what's going to happen here. So, to prepare for this, and we'll explain later, I'm going to just cover my ears.
Just in case. We're not really sure what's going to happen. We're going to try it out anyway. Bruno's got a little candle he can light there. And I'm going to teach you a very special method for keeping your ears nice and safe. This is called elephant ears. So put your hands up like this, palms facing you, and just put them in front of your ears. And you make that nice elephant ears. Wiggle them for me. Oh yeah, that's good. Good looking elephant ears. I don't want to see anybody squishing their brains. It doesn't feel really good. And you're going to need your brains, trust me. So do lots of elephant ears so that your ears are nice and safe. I want to make sure everybody's ears are protected. Okay, Bruno, are you ready to go?
Okay, I'm all set. Got my
all
birthday
right, let's
candle.
get the countdown. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it all together.
Yeah, and then just like the methanol, the only thing left after the hydrogen burned was water, so it's very clean burning. That's why you hear about hydrogen-powered fuel, hydrogen-powered cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is flour. So we use that to bake a cake, and I've got the fuel or the fire right here. So I'm gonna blow it up. Ready? Let's go. I'm gonna blow it up. I'm gonna blow it up. I'm gonna heat that up and
That's it?
It's just burning.
I thought you were going to blow the cake up.
It's just, yeah, that's what I thought. I had the flame.
It just smells funny.
I had the fuel.
Does anybody know that smell, that burning flour smell?
Yeah.
Anybody? Baker here, yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
man.
it's mainly carbohydrates. Like that's a good fuel.
Oh, I know what the problem was. Okay, we had two of the things that we needed for combustion. We had a lot of fuel in the flour, we had the fire, but we didn't have enough oxygen. We need to make this flour airborne in order to really get it to burn.
Make it airborne.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think this is going to help it
one of
out.
the favorite thing more free. So I'll take out this Bunsen burner here, and I'm just going to go back to this side.
There we go. Let's get that Bunsen burner going.
Let's get this going. There we
Awesome.
go.
Now we're ready.
Okay. So now I've prepared this ahead of time. You know, I thought I would do this. So I've got flour, this flour in this tube, and we're going to spread out the particles by blowing it through this.
Let's see what happens. Here we go.
Ready?
Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Well, that was pretty cool. That was pretty awesome.
This is called lycopodium powder in this tube, lycopodium. Now, where flour is mostly carbohydrate, like Bruno said, lycopodium has a high fat. We're going to give it a try. Let's see what happens. Let's give a countdown. Here we go. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Whoa. Safety equipment. So I'm going to make sure I have all this on. All right. Now, what does this look like? What do I have here? What is this?
Oh boy, I'm thirsty.
Beaker of
I'm so thirsty.
water.
And I have that water there.
No, it's not. Bruno, no. We do not drink from beakers. We do not eat or drink our science experiments. Right?
Good idea.
Some people cook like that, but hydrogen peroxide. So water has a chemical formula H2O. Peroxide is H2O2. And the amazing thing is that this is always reacting. It's turning from peroxide into water and oxygen, constantly. In fact, it's reacting right now. Isn't it beautiful?
I don't see anything. In fact, let me take out my magnifying glass here. I can't.
You can't see it?
I can't. No, not even with my magnifying glass.
Well, you would see it if it was happening faster. Oh, okay, I have an idea.
Okay.
We're gonna speed up this reaction. I've got something here that's gonna speed it along. This is what we call our catalyst.
What, we're going to use cats for this?
We're not gonna use a cat for this. This is a catalyst.
Oh.
It's something that speeds up a reaction. In fact, this catalyst is called potassium iodide. This is gonna take this reaction, which normally takes days or weeks, and speed it up so that it only takes a few seconds.
Huh.
Pretty amazing. I think we're going to need a junior scientist to help us out.
Help us out. Okay, so let's see who we have out here who would like to help us out in our science experiment. Okay, how about you right over there? The orange? Yeah, sure. Come on up. Come on up. Make your way on up here and just face the audience. What's your name? Sorry, a little bit better. We need to put some soap in there.
All right, throw in some soap, Wilder.
Can you just put it right into the
Give it a good squeeze. There we go.
Squeeze,
Awesome.
there we go. Okay, good.
I swear he's done this before. He knows what he's doing.
Awesome. All right. So we've got the soap. Yeah. And then we have some food coloring. So let's mix that in. Just carefully squeeze a
There
few
we
drops.
go.
You can actually squeeze it. It's okay. Don't worry about that. That's good. Excellent. Okay. Perfect. So we've got the two things in there, the soap and the food coloring. So I'm just going to give this a bit of a swish. Just a bit of a swish here. And
There we
place
go.
this
Come on over here
right
with me, buddy.
here.
All right, we're ready. It's in our special chamber now. I'm going to pour this in because I've got the safety gloves on. I wouldn't want you to get any of this stuff on your skin. Trust me, it's not good. But you're going to lead us in the countdown because this is your experiment, all right? So can you give us a nice big countdown? Raise your hand up high. Let's go. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Watch carefully.
Oh my gosh, it's reacting. Oh.
Whoa, look at that. Look at what you did, Wilder. Look at that.
Well, that was fast. Wow. It's still going.
Something.
It's reacting.
Come on over here, Wilder. Just put your hand, don't touch it, but just put your hand over. And how does that feel? It feels warm. That's right. So heat, action. That's quite something.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. I want to touch it as well. It's probably not a great idea. In fact, it looks kind of like toothpaste, maybe for like a big animal.
Oh, like an elephant's tooth. All right, well, now that we're extra safe, we're ready for our final experiment. We've got our safety glass here. This is real. This is not a gimmick. This is real stuff just to protect you. Bruno and I are a little more expendable, so we don't have to worry about it so much. But, oh, what do you have there, Bruno? That looks like boiling water. Can I make some tea with that? It looks delicious.
Hey, remember what you were saying about beakers and we shouldn't partake in...
You're right. I always forget. It looks so delicious. I really want a cup of tea. But you're right. We should never eat or drink our science experiments, but especially when we don't know what they are. This stuff looks really hot. It's boiling, but you know what? The vapor is which way is it going? Is it going up or down? It's going down, right? It's going down, which means it must be cool because cold air, well, warm air rises, so cool air falls. And so
I'm guessing
really
it's liquid
cold.
nitrogen.
I wonder how cold. Bruno, let's use our thermometer. Let's see how cold this stuff
Got this
is.
thermocouple here, put it right in there.
Can you read off some of the numbers that we see there? Let's read off some
That's
of
the
the numbers.
temperature.
What
You
do
can
we
check
get
it up
to?
here. Check it out here as well.
Minus. Oh my gosh, it's getting really cold.
Wow.
So whatever this stuff is, it's really, really cold.
It's liquid nitrogen.
Turns out it's going to get down to minus 196 degrees Celsius.
So it's kind of like a warm day in Canada,
It
basically.
is like exactly like a warm day in Canada. So minus 196 degrees Celsius. Let's all take a nice deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. I bet you feel better. Well, there's a reason that we did that. 80% of the stuff you just breathe in is exactly what that is. What is it? Oxygen, no, that's 20% of the air. Nitrogen, very good. Oxygen is the second best guess. That's about 15-20% of the air that we breathe. 80% of the air that we breathe is made of nitrogen. It's all around us right now. This is liquid nitrogen. This is what happens when you cool it and compress it, and you get a liquid.
Yeah, so that's why I'm wearing a glove, because I don't want to get frostbite.
Yeah, you get instant frostbite if you touch this. Now, to be extra safe, I have something else here. What is this? We've been over this. This is not a garbage can. It's a highly sensitive, incredibly expensive, scientific blast chamber. All right? It's our highly expensive blast chamber. All right, so we've got that. Well, to speed up this reaction a little bit, I'm going to add some water. I've got some hot water back here. Yep, there we go. So I've got some boiling hot water in here that's going to speed up that reaction a little bit, speed up the boiling of the liquid nitrogen.
And notice where the vapor's going this time.
Oh, it's definitely hot. Water vapor going up. And we're going to add a bit of cool water because I don't want to burn out the bottom of my blast chamber.
No, we wouldn't want to burn it out.
Nope.
We'd have to patch it up or something.
And the last thing that we're going to add is this. What is this? Oh, they're not balls. They're actually something very, very expensive, highly scientific, incredible, amazing exploderometers. Exploderometers, okay? So that's going to test our explosion. Bruno, I think I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go?
So yeah, so you said 700 times.
700 times.
And I'm putting it in this one bottle.
Now, audience, I want to see elephant ears on this one. This is potentially very, very loud, so let's be ready for it. We're not sure what's going to happen. This stuff is cold. It's dangerous. Bruno and I are putting our lives on the line.
Okay, got your goggles on. All right,
yep.
Good. Okay.
You ready to go?
Well, I'm going to cap it off. Here we go.
All right, here we go, audience. Let's get ready. No squishing your brains. Let's see elephant ears.
No, I'm just going to see it.
Okay, here it goes. Hold on.
What? Oh my gosh!
And that's the show. Thank you guys.
Reset. Okay. Now. What in the... Oh, okay. It's stood on its side, so... Move, I guess? Let's try that again. Just like this. And go. Put aside now. I'm gonna see what is it. Ooh. It's officially a no. That's what it is. This must be the lightest card I ever thrown. What kind of card is this? Oh wow, that failed. Yeah, the little puppet's doing it. Look. Oh! I hit the target. Oh, what? That's right. Oh, come on. This is how to cheat the system. How long can you hang on the ledge of this building? Yeah, I can't. I can cheat the system. This is gonna take a while. So yeah, I gotta hold on for 5 minutes. Yeah. Ooh. Start. Bam. Done. I just basically put my foot in. Basically like this. Start. Put my foot in and then just take it out. Press stop on it and done. I cheated the system. I'm going to try to throw cards at it like shurikens again. Ah! Missed. What happened to the card? Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. Ah. Okay. hard. Fail. What happened?
Whoa, whoops.
Yeah. Oh, I hit the target. Oh, come on. How is... Oh my gosh. How does the expert do this? Oh, I hit someone else's. It's too hard. I gotta give up. I gotta give up after this throw. Last throw. Ugh. Okay, tablecloth pulling in 3, 2, 1, go. Yay! Okay, pulling in 3, 2, 1.
We might
Hey, shoot the other guy!
Yeah? Okay.
Alright, you've twisted my arm and my cape. Alright, here we go. We're gonna give you a little bit more time, Jeff. 0.7 seconds of delay. Here we go. Test number 3. Dodging a paintball with a 0.7 second delay equivalent to 53 meters of distance or 175 feet. Listen for that sound.
Oh! Look at this. Both of them won't go down in the hole. Wow. So boring. But also look entertaining. If you thought the old Rubik's Cube was hard, try this one. Look at this. The Auto Science Center has less stuff that interests me. Why fail? Okay, let me make it official. We are leaving Canada. Goodbye, CN Tower. And goodbye, Canada. Okay, these are 2 big trucks, and apparently that one of those trucks is trying to surpass the other one. So it's basically like a tortoise and a snail, and the tortoise trying to be faster than the snail, and at the end, they all go at the same speed. Okay, so I now at home going to do one of Freddy's for now. So yeah, if you did watch this vlog, good for you.